Good morning, everybody. I'm currently off to the Iola Old Car Show in Iola, Wisconsin. Now, there's no flight today. I'm driving there. It's about a 2-hour drive from my home in Milwaukee, so let's just get right on into it. You're joining me right as I entered Waiawega, and I'm going to speed it up, and I'll see you in a little bit. And if you're interested in any of my travels or want previews of where I'm going next, be sure to follow me on Instagram. Today's video is going to be a little different from my normal videos. I'm not going to talk that much as I'm going to show you what I saw today. If you do like something that you see, pause the video, and of course leave a comment. Did you have one of these classic cars back in the day? The Iola Old Car Show is actually a 501c3 organization, so all the proceeds from the car show actually go towards different organizations and needs around the area. So you are helping a good cause. There are volunteers all over helping with food service, transportation, sanitation, and so much more. My friend's stepdad is actually a volunteer who drives a golf cart around to transport people around the showgrounds. I actually met up with him after he finished up his shift, and we both walked around and looked at the cars. He told me that he actually owned a '69 Corvair and a few other cars that we saw. Hey look! It's Derek from Viceart Garage working on a car. This is something that he does every year. Now I'm going to block out what he's working on, and if you're interested, you're going to have to check out the video on his channel. So during the show, veterans from the Wisconsin Veterans Home in King are brought to the show, and they're taken around on golf carts to see all the happenings all weekend. Derek actually took time for working on his project to talk to each and every veteran and even answered questions from them if they had one. Now there's more than people showing their cars at the Iola Old Car Show. Both Ford and Chevrolet show off a few of their latest models. And there's stuff for sale. You need to accessorize your car? They got you covered. And you can't forget the swap meet. The swap meet is one of the largest in the Midwest. Need a fender? How about an alternator? Or some random bit that you can't find anywhere? Chances are, you'll find it here. And it's not all old stuff too, or even car related. There's people selling anything from home goods to collectibles to even some of the most random things you'll find, like old McDonald's menu boards. Just look at those prices. Remember when you could eat at McDonald's for under $10? There's so much to see and do at the Iola Old Car Show that you honestly can't see it all in a day. The show takes place during the second Thursday, Friday, Saturday in July each year, so if you find yourself in central Wisconsin, stop on by and check it out. But that'll do it for today's video. What do you think? Ever been to the Iola Old Car Show? What are some of your favorites? Leave a comment below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.